car. This is how we drive from Mars Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have another product for my car, guys, to show you how it is. For some protection, let's see. Here we go. This is some kinds of rubber that I want to apply different part of the door of my car. So I take this off from here. Let's see how they look. You can see, guys, this slim rubber, see, and best part of it, inside you have some sticker sort of thing, so it's as a glue, so you can put at the edge at the door of your car and it will protect with heat or other stuff. Very good. Inside you see red, you can see here is some kinds of a sticker, so it will not come out. Obviously I'm gonna show you how it looks on that. It's, I think, something as 3-4 meter. I paid, you see the size, so nothing fancy. 3, 4, 5 euros or dollar it can cost you to protection of your car. Let's see here how it is. You can see very close, and the material look as a carbon fiber, but it's not carbon fiber, it's plastic, so it's dissimulate, it's fake carbon fiber, but very cheap in the price. So let's see how it looks on the car. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.